Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We've been coming to you live from the Singapore Fintech Festival, and helping me wrap up coverage for day one, we have Sopnendu Mohanty. He is the Chief Fintech Officer of the Singapore Monetary Authority. Thank you so much for joining us at the conference. It's amazing. It just continues to blow up in size every year.
And I don't know why, but it's growing.
Well, and that's a very good thing, because there's a lot of amazing things happening in fintech, particularly in the APAC region, and we're going to learn about APIX today, and that's really accelerating the collaboration between financial institutions and the fintechs. Before we get into that, let's understand what AFIN is.
I think the genesis of AFIN was to build a platform which will allow small banks, cooperative banks, town banks, far-flung area where they exist, to be able to tap onto this whole growth of fintech technology as part of the digital journey. There are three challenges they face. They lack capital, they lack talent to understand what fintech can do, and third, they run legacy systems. Now, the only way to solve it is to build a platform to allow the three things to be tested. Find a way to allow the small banks to discover fintechs, where they exist, what they do. Second, find out ability to test, can they be relevant to their businesses, wherever they are. And last is, can this new fintech talk to the legacy system, what they need to do. So there are three things we attempt to solve as part of AFIN. AFIN is Association of Financial Innovation Network, of ASEAN Financial Innovation Network, primarily designed for ASEAN market to start with. But as any good things in life, it goes beyond its definition, original construct. It has become a kind of a platform. We have moved to Africa and other markets also.
All right, and certainly plenty of growth in those other markets.
Absolutely.
And so through AFIN, to support that mission, you launched APIX.
Which is a platform name.
Right, and that's designed, what is that designed to do? What are the benefits?
So APIX is a platform. It's a platform that runs on cloud. It is a platform which does discovery of fintech, testing of fintech, building prototypes. Actually, you can actually code there, deploy this prototypes to your own institutional environment, and also allows you to understand what are the changes you must make in your system to allow this fintech to connect. So there are 5 things that do. On top of that, this early next year, we're going to introduce something called Investor Research Platform, which allows investors to access what fintech does with the industry, so that they can find a better way to understand the fintech that allows them to increase capital injection for the fintech, increase the awareness of investors to put money behind this fintech.
Right, and I would imagine a lot of the companies that are here today are integrated into this
because that's the best way to get themselves off the real business. As you know, globally, 20% of fintech portfolio are B2C, which are licensed fintech. Remaining 80% are fintech who are in the business of helping banks. The challenge they have is this huge gap of what they can do, what bank understand what they can do, and how to integrate. APIX plays that middle role of integrating what fintech can do, what bank can do, and combine them.
All right, thank you so much for joining us at the Fintech Festival. Great to be here every year.
Sure.
All right, and thank you for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.